Good afternoon, my name is Yoinner Jiménez. In this occasion, I'm going to read one of the most famous poems in the Latin American literature, named Poem Number 20 by Pablo Neruda. Poem number 20. Tonight, I can write that slang. Write, for example, the night is starry, and the stars are blue and shiver in the distance. The night wind revolves in the sky and thinks. Tonight, I can write the saddest line. I love her, and sometimes she loves me too. Tonight, like this one, I held her in my arms. I kissed her again and again under the endless sky. She loved me. Sometime I love her too. How could one not have loved her great still eyes? Tonight I can write the saddest line. To think that I do not have her. To feel that I have loved her. To hear the immense night still more immense with her. And the bird fall to the soul like dew to the pasture. What does it matter that my love could not keep her? The night is starry, and she not with me. This is all. In the distance someone is singing. In the distance. My soul is not satisfied that it has loved her. My sight strive to find her, a stroll to bring her closer. My heart look for her, and she not with me. The same night widening, the same trees. We, of the time, are no longer the same. I no longer love her. That's certain. But how I love her? My voice tried to find the wind to touch her hearing. Another's. She will be another's. As she was before my kisses. Her voice, her bright body, her infinitive eyes. I no longer love her. That's certain. But maybe I love her. Love is so short. Forgetting is so long. Because through night like this one, I held her in my arms. My soul is not satisfied that it has loved her. Though this be the last pain that she made me suffer. And this the last verse that I write for her. Thank you. Thank you. This was my presentation. Thanks very much. See you in another occasion. Thanks.